Welcome to the Crumpet Show. Look at this pretty girl. Look at this pretty girl. What are you doing? Trying to eat mommy's hair? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Who's the prettiest girl? Who's the prettiest bird? Yes, you are.